If you're watching this, chances are you picked up your iPhone, went to turn off Find My iPhone, and toggle is completely grayed out. You can't tap it, you can't turn it off or on, nothing happens. Don't worry, you're not alone. This is one of the most common iPhone issues people run into, and the good news is it's almost always fixable without going to the Apple Store. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly why this happens and show you fixes that work step by step. Fix number 1. Turn on location services. This is the first thing to check because it's the most common cause. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. At the very top, tap on Location Services. Make sure the toggle at the top is switched on. It should be green. Now scroll down through the list of apps until you find Find My. Tap on it and make sure it's set to while using the app, not never. If the toggle is still grayed out, move on to the next fix. Fix number 2. Disable screen time restrictions. This is actually the number one cause for most people, especially if this is a family device or was set up by someone else. Open Settings and tap on Screen Time. On the next page, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is turned on, scroll down until you see the Privacy section. Tap Location Services inside that section. If it says Don't Allow Changes, that's your problem. Tap it and change it to Allow Changes. Now go back to the home screen, open Settings, tap on your name, tap Find My and try again. Fix number 3. Turn off Stolen Device Protection. You cannot turn off Find My iPhone if your iPhone's Stolen Device Protection feature is enabled. To turn it off, simply open Settings, tap on the Face ID and Passcode option and enter your passcode. Here, find and tap on the Stolen Device Protection option and turn it off. If you're still facing the Find My toggle grayed out issue on your iPhone, try removing an MDM or device management profile. This fix applies if your iPhone was set up by a school, employer, or a previous owner. A mobile device management profile can log certain features including Find My. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. If you see a profile listed here, especially one from a company or school, tap on it. If it's a profile you don't recognize or no longer need, tap Remove Management and confirm. After removing it, restart your iPhone and check Find My again. If you're still facing this issue, then try signing out and logging back into your Apple ID through iCloud settings. In addition to this, you should also try restarting your iPhone and update iOS to the latest available version. And that's it. These are some of the fixes for Find My iPhone being grayed out. One of those fixes should have done the trick. If it did, drop a comment below and let me know which fix worked for you. It genuinely helps other people watching this video know where to start. If you're still stuck, leave a comment with your iPhone model and iOS version and I will do my best to help you out. And if this guide helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.